से राइट एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होगी एक स्टूडेंट के लिए अगर जो भी ज्वाइन करना चाह रहा है, ठीक है? क्योंकि फिर होता क्या है कि हम कुछ और सोच के जाते हैं किसी कॉलेज में एंड देन वहाँ रियलिटी कुछ और मिलती है। तो अगर कोई ऐसी एनआईएफएम को ज्वाइन करने का प्लान कर रहा है, राइट? तो क्या राइट एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी ताकि वहाँ जाके उसको ये ना फ़ील हो कि यार मैं ट्रैप्ड हूँ या फिर वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फ़ील करना स्टार्ट करे?
It's a quite big thing to visit a
राइट,
World Bank,
राइट।
and having a session of maybe 2 hour is like it's something that any other colleges cannot provide at
हुँ।
this ease.
अभी जो आपका करंट प्लेसमेंट सेशन चल रहा है, इसमें स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप एवरेज प्लेसमेंट बताना चाहो, राइट? या हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट बताना चाहो, तो अभी तक क्या रहा है? तो एक रिव्यू वीडियो हमने ऑलरेडी कर रखा है आपके प्रोफेसर के साथ, तो उसमें हमने मैक्सिमम चीज़ें कवर कर रखी है। अब जो स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरीज़ आ रही हैं, उसको अगर मैं कैटेगराइज़ करूँ तो 2-3 सेगमेंट्स में उसको कैटेगराइज़ कर सकते हो। पहला जो स्टूडेंट्स का कंसर्न है, चूँकि आज जो बिज़नेस स्कूल्स हैं, उनको इस तरीके से देखा जाता है कि दे आर प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज़, राइट? तो अभी आप लोग मुझे ये बताओ कि जो एज़ ए एनआईएफएम में आप लोग फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हो, आई गेस, राइट? तो वहाँ प्लेसमेंट का सपोर्ट किस तरीके का है? 2 चीज़ें मुझे समझाओ। एक तो प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट सिस्टम किस तरीके का है एंड दूसरा वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम किस तरीके से ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है आउटकम के टर्म्स में?
Sir, to be honest, if talking about the placement system
हुँ, हुँ।
and what support we are
हुँ, हुँ।
getting from the college itself is
हुँ, हुँ।
that there were like non-credit courses being provided for the placement purposes,
ठीक है।
such as a faculty was being hired
हुँ, हुँ।
for the purpose of giving us the training for the mock interviews,
हुँ, हुँ।
and like getting all set up for our challenges being faced in the interviews itself.
ओके,
Interviews को कैसे handle करना है,
ठीक है।
like what all are required,
हुँ, हुँ।
getting to know about the topics,
हुँ,
getting to
हुँ।
know about like the concepts.
हुँ, हुँ।
If suppose एक particular role आ रहा है,
हुँ, हुँ।
as in mutual fund, as I mentioned,
हुँ,
then
हुँ।
the faculty is always available for reaching out to them.
ओके।
So, before going to the
हुँ, हुँ।
interview,
हुँ, हुँ।
faculties train us for the concepts,
ओके,
and the other faculty trains us for the interview preparations.
ठीक है।
So, aptitude test जो होते हैं उन चीज़ों के लिए प्रिपेयर किया जाता है.
हुँ, हुँ।
Secondly, interviews के अंदर किस तरीके से डील करना है,
हुँ, हुँ।
confidence, everything is dealt.
ओके,
So, एक proper like हमारे टर्म में क्या हुआ था, there was a whole week
ओके।
like from Monday to Saturday,
हुँ, हुँ।
and from Monday 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
हुँ, हुँ।
till Saturday.
हुँ, हुँ।
This whole week was allocated for the interviews preparation itself.
ठीक है।
So this was a very strong support for those who were like willing to participate for the interview session,
ओके।
who wanted to gain this exposure.
हुँ, हुँ।
So
अभी
the
हुँ,
the faculty was like totally like easy to reach out,
हुँ, हुँ।
and she was so helpful. She was so good at those things, and she was very experienced in these things.
ओके।
So उनके यहाँ से जो support मिला, that
हुँ,
was
हुँ।
pretty good, and
ओके।
the outcome was that कि we were able to tackle those things which were already taught to us in the
हुँ, हुँ।
interviews itself.
ओके।
ऑल्दो जिस जैसे जो फर्स्ट टाइमर्स हैं उनके
हुँ,
लिए
हुँ।
कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करना थोड़ा कंपैरेटिवली मुश्किल रहेगा जो एक्सपीरियंस्ड है,
हुँ, हुँ।
बट स्टिल बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक कोई भी अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं था, मी बीइंग अ फ्रेशर.
हुँ, हुँ।
मैंने कभी इंटरव्यूज के लिए लाइक कभी मैं इंटरव्यूज में नहीं बैठा हूँ. दिस वाज माय
हुँ, हुँ।
फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू फॉर द जॉब एंड
हुँ,
आई
हुँ।
वाज एबल टू लाइक मेक इट थ्रू इट.
ओके,
So it was easy because of our faculty, because of the placement system, because of
हुँ,
the
हुँ।
support of our mentors.
ओके, ठीक
So
है।
this was the
नंबर्स
thing.
अगर आप बताओगे मुझे ज़रा-सा क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स जनरली नंबर्स जानना चाहते हैं, राइट? अभी जो आपका करंट प्लेसमेंट सेशन चल रहा है, इसमें स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप एवरेज प्लेसमेंट बताना चाहो, राइट? या हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट बताना चाहो, तो अभी तक क्या रहा है?
Sir, as in the package or as in the number of
एज़ इन
students?
पैकेज, इन बोथ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स प्लेस्ड, दोनों ही बता दो आप।
Sir, I guess to be honest, I don't have much idea, but I guess Madhvi knows
हाँ,
the
माधवी
exact
प्लीज़,
data.
प्लीज़, प्लीज़, प्लीज़ माधवी बताओ आप।
Yes, sir. So being the member of the placement committee, that's why I just
ओके।
raised
हुँ।
my hand
हुँ,
because
हुँ।
might be I would be able to answer you it
बिल्कुल।
correctly. The highest placement till now has been 12,
ओके,
and I think all among all it was 12.6. That too
ओके।
for Ericsson,
हुँ, हुँ।
so it's the highest one. And I think average is around 7 to 8 to 9, something like that. In between. I think 7 to 8 is the average.
ओके एंड अभी तक कितने स्टूडेंट्स का प्लेसमेंट हो चुका है वहाँ पे?
It's about 57% students have been placed in now.
ओके।
And since we had last week, like after 12th, we were quite busy. We had a
हम्म।
Singapore immersion as well
ओके।
as in our program.
हम्म।
So we went to Singapore. So because of that, the placement process was at hold.
ओके।
But I think from now onwards, those remaining students will also get the placement
ओके।
as per their capabilities.
ओके, तो कोर फाइनेंस डोमेन में चूंकि कॉलेज जो है वो फाइनेंस ही पढ़ा रहा है, राइट? तो कोर फाइनेंस की कंपनीज आ रही हैं या बहुत सारे और कॉलेजेस में हम जाते हैं, वहाँ हम जाके देखते हैं कि इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि आपने क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन लिया हुआ है, मेजॉरिटी रोल्स जो आती हैं वो सेल्स की ही आती हैं। तो यहाँ क्या सीन चल रहा है, अभी बताओगे आप मुझे?
It's more of finance because
ओके।
like as we have been studying finance since day one,
हम्म।
so most of the students just want to go into the finance field.
हम्म।
Though apart from finance, it could be more of the compliance and as
ओके।
Abhi also said, more
हम्म।
into the asset management firms, AMCs
ठीक
like
है।
the mutual fund and others.
हम्म।
But the students are more oriented to the finance.
ओके।
Oriented roles. They're not very much open to the sales and the other roles because they have been studying finance since day one.
ओके, ठीक है। कुछ कंपनीज के नाम बताओगे आप जो अभी रिसेंटली आई हों जहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट्स हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स को?
Yeah, sure. So it was ICIC.
हम्म।
I think Ipshita would like to
हाँ,
continue.
अक्षता प्लीज।
Yeah.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग।
या गुड
सो
इवनिंग।
अभी सर हमारे यहाँ एनएससी आई है,
हम्म।
हमारे यहाँ आईसीआईसीआई आ चुकी है
ओके।
और
It was Equity Knowledge Partner.
हम्म।
equity.
And it was also SBI Mutual Fund and
Okay.
Ameriprise. So and it's I think yeah, these are the major recruiters in our college till now, and there are other. I think there is a yes, Pinto Research, FinClave. It's a Bangalore-based firm.
Equity also.
ठीक है।
Yes, so these are the firms.
ओके, ठीक है। अभी आपने सिंगापुर इमर्जन की बात की, तो बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस जो हैं इंडिया में, एक तरीके से ये सेलिंग पॉइंट हो गया कॉलेजेस के लिए, थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट को अट्रैक्ट करने का एक काइंड ऑफ गिमिक जैसा मुझे लगता है ये। आपके यहाँ पे क्या हाल है, मतलब सिंगापुर ले जाके केवल घुमा रहे हैं, घूम रहे हो आप लोग, या कुछ रियल लाइफ लर्निंग्स भी हो रही है वहाँ जाने के बाद?
I think good you asked this question. Now we want to answer this question.
हाँ, Avi, please.
We'll give you the honest insight. Yes.
So I would like to answer this question. There's my friend in Ford School of Management in Delhi.
ओके।
Right. So the time we were in Singapore, one of my friends also visited Singapore from her college itself.
ओके।
But there was a major difference between her visits and our visits. She visited the University of Singapore,
ठीक है।
whereas we were visiting Bloomberg, World Bank, Monetary Authority of Singapore, and these kinds of institutions which were like which are quite difficult to reach out. And this was because of our professors and mentors whose network was there to provide such insights.
ओके।
So they referred to us that like they referred them to us about the visits to Bloomberg and the Monetary Authority of Singapore and World Bank itself. Like World Bank, I believe it's a quite big thing to visit a
Right.
World Bank.
Right.
And having a session of maybe 2 hours is like it's something that any other colleges cannot provide at this ease.
राइट।
So
Agreed.
there are many colleges, management colleges, which are doing this international immersion thing, but not every college is able to make the arrangements into these big corporates.
राइट।
So there is this difference that even if other colleges are also selling this point about the international immersions, we are also having the same thing, but still better than them. Although if the session is planned from morning 10:30 to evening 5:30 or 6, then this after that students are like feel like they are free to go if they want to go anywhere.
and explore places, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है। ओके, एंड ड्यूरेशन क्या था आपका इस अमेज़न का?
So 1 week,
1 week.
including the traveling time. Like Monday to Friday,
Okay.
we were like fully into the Singapore, and Sunday and Saturdays were for the traveling part.
अच्छा, ओके, गॉट इट। और ये जो इमर्जन प्रोग्राम है ये आपकी फी स्ट्रक्चर में ही उसमें ही कवर्ड है, राइट? उसका ही
Absolutely,
पार्ट
sir.
है।
Absolutely.
ओके, ठीक है। अब मुझे ज़रा एक चीज़ समझाओ आप लोग, और ये आई थिंक इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर होगा ये बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हो सकता है डिसीजन मेकिंग में काफ़ी हेल्प करे। आप लोगों के सामने भी बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस रहे होंगे, राइट? फाइनेंस के लिए आप जब कॉलेजेस देख रहे होगे तो, और ये रिलेटिवली एक नया कॉलेज है, राइट? मतलब जब हम बात करते हैं जनरल पब्लिक के लिए, वैसे यूपीएससी वालों के लिए और अलग अलग प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए तो काफ़ी टाइम से है ये, बट जब हम बात करते हैं एक फ्रेशर के लिए, जनरल पब्लिक के लिए, तो उनके लिए ये एक नया कॉलेज है। तो आप लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस क्या था? आप लोगों के लिए डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर्स क्या थे? अगर आप बता पाओगे तो दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स भी इस बात से कुछ तो हेल्प उनको, कुछ तो इनसाइट्स उनको मिल पाएंगी। हाँ, बताइए आप अक्षता।
Sir, as someone from technical background and almost 4 years of work experience,
ओके,
मेरा IT में ही था background
ठीक है।
and I wanted to change my job into a finance stream. और my thought process was कि I wanted to look at the course curriculum more than the placement data.
ओके।
And the curriculum really impressed me क्योंकि me who knew nothing about finance, being from a science background, I could relate to the topics और जो faculty की expertise थी, that actually helped me gain मतलब very deep insights about the financial markets and everything related to that.
ओके।
तो मेरे लिए this was the thought process कि I wanted to be more aligned with a finance related course and it worked out well for me. So if anyone wants to switch to core finance, I would recommend this.
So as Akshita said, sir, it was I think like for a person who really want to know about finance, I'm just repeating her lines. It will be, I think, the great course to join with. And also, since we are studying MBA finance, like we are studying finance from day one. And even in the IIMs, also the students get a chance to study about finance from the second year onwards. That too based on their percentile. Usually, the finance has been opted by the people who have the good percentile in their first year. So it's
Right.
like that. And also, those who really want to make ace in the finance career, I think like joining our college and joining this MBA finance course is a key thing to do, because it's the even the course curriculum is as such that the curriculum is aligning with the CFA also. So
Okay.
if you are really into making the career in finance, I think it will help you a lot.
ओके, ठीक है। एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो बार-बार स्टूडेंट्स के एंड से आ रहे हैं, वो ये है कि बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन है नहीं इस कॉलेज के बारे में अवेलेबल, राइट? तो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस के बारे में ज़रा-सा मुझे आप लोग बताओ, आपका इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा था? मतलब प्रोसेस ओवरऑल अगर आप ब्रेक डाउन करके समझाओ तो काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प मिलेगा। हाँ, अभी आप बताइए।
So the time we were having the interviews for this college, I guess there were 2-3 rounds of interviews.
ओके।
At least 2 rounds were interviews for there. So the thing is, first we have to apply on the AJNIFM's website for the
Okay.
application form. After submitting the fees and details and everything, we get the call for the interview itself, GD
Okay.
and TA.
ठीक
So
है।
when we go there and when we like present our documents and our percentile for the accepted examinations such as CAT, ZAT, GMAT, MAT, CMAT, like there are various examinations which are accepted. So first of all, you have to present the examinations and the examination like mark sheet to them,
ठीक है।
and then they filter out you for the GDPI part.
ओके।
Then first a group discussion is conducted, and if you qualify the group discussion, after that the interviews are conducted.
ओके।
Now the interviews are taken personally by the consultants, maybe the faculties of the AJNFM itself, and then like then we get the result out maybe within like 2-3 days, maybe a week or so, that we have been selected or not.
मैं
So
इंटरव्यू में ही क्या पूछा गया था आपसे, मैं वो समझना चाहता हूँ। अगर किसी को प्रिपेयर करना हो तो किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस के लिए वो रेडी रहना चाहिए उसको?
sir, general questions थे like what's a background and if work experience है या फिर work experience नहीं है, if a person is a fresher, he
Okay.
or she doesn't hold the work experience, then the person shall be like ready with the graduation part.
ओके।
Like अगर आपके वर्क एक्स नहीं है, so the second point comes is the graduation, कि अगर आपने BBA करा है तो you should be aware about the BBA कि आपने BBA में क्या क्या पढ़ा है.
ठीक है।
because you are presenting them your mark sheet and your results. So अगर आपने BBA का result अच्छा present करा, so you must be aware about, like, you must be good with your concepts, right? So वो आपको concepts में से थोड़ा बहुत clarity आपका देखते हैं. And the second part is कि वो आपसे पूछते हैं कि if you are from a suppose BTech background or maybe a different background or maybe a law background, then how come you are going to switch to finance?
Okay.
How come you are good for this institute?
Mhm.
So these are the kind of questions which are being asked in the interview itself.
Okay. माधवी, आप कुछ ऐड कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Sir, as said, I just want to add that if all those aspirants who really looking to join our college, I think they should be well apt with all the financial news that is happening. They should know because it will be the major question in the GDPI. Even
Okay.
the group discussion topic would be somewhat related to the finance in most of the cases, though we don't know. It depends on the panelist. And in the second case, in the personal interview as well as being told earlier as well that of course your background would be asked. What was your graduation like? Do you have the domain knowledge? They will ask, they will check that just in order to check the sincerity of the student. But apart from that, they will also ask the financial, do you know the financial terminologies? I think these are the certain things the student should prepare before appearing for the GDPI in our college, because
Okay.
it's the major chunk. Because studying finance for 2 years, and if you don't know anything about finance, I think panelists do check, do you have the temperament for studying finance? Because
Okay.
finance itself require a lot of like you should have that kind of caliber and turmoil. So they do check. And I think if you know a bit of the financial terminologies, and not like, and just one more thing I just want to add, just knowing the financial terminologies is not enough, because it's very easy for a experienced panelist to check that you just know the words and you don't know the definition, or like you just know the definition, you don't know the concepts. It's better to clear your concepts. I won't say a lot of concept, because I, being a science grad, I also much about time, but yes, you should have that firmness in you, that affirmation that yes, I have the willingness to learn about finance, and you should have a major why you want to join. That is
Okay.
also very important.
ठीक है. हाँ, अक्षता, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहोगे?
So just a small addition. During my interview experience, since मेरा पहले का work experience है,
ठीक है.
and coming from a science background as well, they checked कि if I had the drive, कि do I have what it takes to actually be able to cope up with the syllabus and be on top of my class, knowing कि this is an entire new field for me and it's not easy for most people to pick up on this. Like, finance is not an easy subject. So other than that, you should be ready with how you contributed to your work environment and what all you can bring to the table as a student, not just going there to learn, but what value you can add to the college as well.
ठीक है. फैकल्टीज़ के बारे में ज़रा सा आप मुझे बता दो, क्योंकि अभी जब हम लोग कॉलेजेस में जाते हैं या बहुत सारे रिपोर्ट्स पे आते हैं, तो द मेजर कंसर्न अबाउट मैनेजमेंट कॉलेजेस इज़ कि दो मेजर कंसर्न है, अगर मैं ब्रॉडली पूछूँ आपसे तो. द फर्स्ट कंसर्न इज़ कि एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी बहुत ही लो है MBA ग्रेजुएट्स की, राइट? और उसके पीछे जो ब्रॉडली दो रीजंस दिए जाते हैं. वो पहला रीज़न ये है कि जो करिकुलम पढ़ाया जा रहा है स्टूडेंट्स को मैनेजमेंट कॉलेजेस में, वो बहुत पहले आउटडेट हो चुका है, राइट? एंड दूसरा, करिकुलम तो आउटडेट हो ही चुका है, जो उनको पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो करिकुलम को पढ़ा रहा है, वो खुद भी आउटडेटेड हैं. दूसरा कंसर्न ये है कि ऐसे प्रोफेशनल्स पढ़ा रहे हैं जिनको केवल थ्योरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट के बारे में ही पता है, उसका प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे होता है, एग्जीक्यूशन क्या होता है, उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी कॉर्पोरेट में काम नहीं किया है. तो आपके कॉलेज में क्या सिनेरियो है करिकुलम वाइज एंड फैकल्टी वाइज?
Yes, sir. Sir, talking about the curriculum is like very, very updated, because all of the curriculum is like, it is related to the capital markets and securities markets majorly.
ठीक है.
So in order to work in the securities market and capital markets, one must be like aware about the latest things. So the faculties being hired, or the faculties have to be updated with the latest knowledge.
Okay.
So if the faculty, like, there can be a deviation of two to three faculties who don't have much knowledge or maybe that practical aspect, but 98% faculties were very practical oriented. They had the latest data, they had the latest case scenarios, they had that every source of information which gives the latest information. सो लाइक वहाँ पे पूरा की पूरा लेटेस्ट और रिसेंसी के ऊपर ही काम होता था, एंड जो सारा कैपिटल मार्केट्स का सिनेरियो होता था उसके अंदर भी अप टू डेट रहना ही ज़रूरी है। सो करिकुलम भी अप टू डेट था एंड फैकल्टीज भी अप टू डेट थी, एंड उन्होंने हमेशा हमको भी इसी तरीके से पढ़ाया एंड हमको उसी तरीके से सारी चीज़ें डील करवाया कि लेटेस्ट डेटा कहाँ से लेकर आना है, सो दैट हमको नॉलेज हो मार्केट की कि एज ऑन डेट एंड एज ऑन टाइम क्या चल रहा है।
चीज़ और समझना चाहूँगा आपसे, राइट एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होगी एक स्टूडेंट के लिए अगर जो भी जॉइन करना चाह रहा है, ठीक है? क्योंकि फिर होता क्या है कि हम कुछ और सोच के जाते हैं किसी कॉलेज में एंड देन वहाँ रियलिटी कुछ और मिलती है। तो अगर कोई ऐसी एनआईएफएम को जॉइन करने का प्लान कर रहा है, राइट? तो क्या राइट एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी ताकि वहाँ जाके उसको ये ना फ़ील हो कि यार मैं ट्रैप्ड हूँ, या फिर वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फ़ील करना स्टार्ट करे?
I think so for that, like the student should have really wanted to study finance. I think that should be the first expectation the student should have.
Okay.
Because if they are not looking to study finance, studying finance for 2 years could be cumbersome for them. Because
Okay.
in the other MBA, it's like a journal MBA program. You study finance, you study marketing, you study HR, and you study sales, you study the logistics as well. And out of those, in the second year, you decide where you want to go. But in our college, it's not like that. It's like you really want to dive into the capital market, and that's why you have come here. So I think the first thing could be they should have the real passion for finance, because if you don't feel like studying finance, you will be disappointed because the finance will be bombarded to you. And and I think it's good also because if you're diving into something, at least you're diving it properly. So I feel that if you're studying finance here, at least you are doing it in a complete sense. I think that is the plus point of our course. And the second thing, they should have faith on themselves. I think in other admissions as well, they should have faith on themselves. But I would say that to the upcoming aspirants, I know doing MBA, most of the people are doing MBA to get a job.
Right.
It's let's be really honest. Like
Right.
that is the real scene. But you should also know that you have to work on that. It's not that you could be dependent on the college to provide you the placement opportunities. College will do, but see, there will be a lot of competition, and every company just they just put the cream out of it. So it's better that you are also working on yourself in these 2 years, and it's more like that you are getting the academic assistance from the college, and you're also working on your on your part to get the job, because nowadays it's skill based thing. Everyone is doing the same thing.
Right.
So you have to make yourself apart from others. So I think that is one of these are the few things that I want to add.
Okay. अक्षता, आप कुछ ऐड करेंगी?
Sir, on a lighter note, I'd like to add कि students should be ready for rigorous assignments and
Okay.
projects. क्योंकि हमारे last semester में we have to write a research paper as well. But the
Okay.
good thing about this is कि the faculty is very approachable, very knowledgeable, and no query will be left unanswered if you
Okay.
sign up for this. हमारे juniors also are participating in case competitions, and our faculties are very supportive of it. So if you have the drive, I cannot stress enough, if you have the drive, you should apply to this college because it will give you ample opportunities other than just placements.
Okay. हाँ, माधवी?
And sir, apart from that, I think our campus is so picturesque. You get all the opportunities. I think
Okay.
in that case, they are actually beating the IIMs.
Okay.
And that too, the ABC one. That I'm damn sure, and I think all my colleagues and the batchmates as well. I think for that you get the top-notch opportunity, the top-notch facilities over there, and even the faculty is also very nice.
Okay.
Like as you took the interview of Rishi sir, I think he's apt in the field that he is there, like in
Right.
his domain. I think he's one of the specialists in his domain. So it's depend on that. You will get a good faculty. You will get good facilities as well. It's just depend on the students whether what they want to do in these 2 years. So it's more of an individualist thing rather than and it's not the case of AJ&FM. It's case in I think everywhere.
Okay.
It's the student who make the college. It's not the college that makes
Right.
the students.
Right. ठीक है। एक और एस्पेक्ट मुझे आप समझाने की कोशिश करो। चलो मैं समझ गया कि एमबीए इन फाइनेंस ही ऑफर किया जा रहा है, तो क्या इसमें कहीं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जो मैनेजमेंट वाला एस्पेक्ट है वो कहीं थोड़ा सा लैग कर रहा है या उस पर थोड़ा और फोकस की जाने की ज़रूरत है?
So
आर यू गाइज बीइंग टॉट द मैनेजरल स्किल्स एज वेल या केवल
yes,
फाइनेंस फाइनेंस ही
we
पढ़ाया
have
जा रहा
courses related to behavioral aspects and HR aspects as well
है?
for the first few semesters, and they don't take up a chunk of the course curriculum, but they do make you ready for the corporate world.
ओके।
Like I feel like it was the perfect amount of managerial aspect because like I joined to focus on finance more, so it was the perfect curriculum for me according to
ओके,
me.
ठीक है। माधवी?
Yeah, yeah. Just wanted to add that, yeah, we have been like since we are doing masters in business administration, I think it's the need to
Right.
know the managerial skills, and we
Right.
do have certain subjects like behavioral finance, not behavioral finance, I think organizational behavior, and we studied these kind of HR subjects in the first year of ours. Though, as said by Ikshita as well, that it was not the major chunk. But they do have taught us the managerial skills. We do
Okay.
know the 14 principle of management, so we
Okay.
do know everything. Yeah.
ठीक है।
So just a little addition, as Avi had said, ki interview process ke liye they also get you ready. So the faculty that was called to our college, she sat with every one of the 58 students, be it experienced government officials, be it myself with work experience, be it a fresher. So she taught us individually. So if you want to improve on a very basic level also, you are most welcome here.
ओके,
Like
ठीक है।
you won't be left out.
राइट। किसी भी अच्छे कॉलेज, मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज की एक क्वालिटी ये भी होती है कि आप पेयर लर्निंग बहुत अच्छा मिलता है आपको, राइट? तो आप अपना ज़रा बैच कॉम्पोजिशन समझाओगे मुझे? आप किस तरीके का कॉम्पोजिशन है, किस बैकग्राउंड से स्टूडेंट्स हैं? अगर आप बाइफरकेट करके समझा पाओ तो कितने एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स हैं?
So we have the ratio of I think 18 is to 34 or 35, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
So I might be 18 girls are there, and rest are the boys out
Okay.
of 56, 58 of the total.
ठीक है।
And like I think 12 are from science, and majority is from the management or the commerce background,
Okay.
and I think 3 or 4 are from the law background or the humanities background. It is the composition is like that.
ओके।
And what was your second question, sir?
एक्सपीरियंस एंड फ्रेशर का बाइफरकेशन है।
Experience, our batch, like the average age of our batch is 23. It was
Okay.
last year, so now it's 24.
Okay.
And experience are I think 3. So
Okay.
our batch is more like a freshers batch, where I think Ipshita and apart from her, 2 more are the experienced one. So
Okay.
it's like that, the composition.
ठीक है। लास्ट सवाल होगा मेरा आप लोगों से। अगर कोई एक फ्रेशर ज्वाइन कर रहा है जो इस बार प्लान कर रहा है, ठीक है, आप लोग टाइम लेके इसका आंसर कर सकते हो। आपको अगर कुछ टिप्स देने हो उसको, ठीक है, जैसे कि इस 2 ईयर को 2 इयर्स के जो प्रोग्राम है इसको वो मैक्सिमम आउटपुट निकाल पाए, मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट निकाल पाए, जो गलतियाँ आपने की या जो लर्निंग्स आपकी रही वो अगर आप शेयर करना चाहो।
So, first of all, वहाँ पे सर जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टॉकिंग अबाउट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड द एनवायरनमेंट अबाउट ऑफ द कॉलेज, one gets his own personal room,
ओके।
which is a very important thing. First of all, you don't get to engage with your roommate, so there is no such foundation. So you have your own space and you can utilize your time best.
ओके।
If the classes are from 9:30 to 5:30 in the evening, then the time left after that it's your own time. So you can utilize that time for your best. Since, as mentioned, the course is aligned with the CFA course. One, if pursuing CFA or maybe CFP or any other finance related courses can divert his mind to the CFA course itself and use the time for aligning the course learnings,
ओके।
so that in the 2 years you are easily able to clear at least level 1 of CFA, and a person clearing CFA level 1 at least gets a better job than the average student.
अग्री।
So CFA level 1 clear करते ही you can, if you apply like off campus, तब भी आपके लिए opportunities बहुत ज़्यादा हैं.
ठीक है।
So what I mean to say is कि if you want to utilize your time best and like to take out the best output, जो regular course curriculum है, एंड जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग चीज़ें जो कॉलेज की तरफ से मिली हैं सर, उससे एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी यानी कुछ स्टैंड आउट करने के लिए कुछ एडिशनल एफर्ट्स करने पड़ते हैं.
ओके.
Suppose case competitions, case studies, making additional projects on your specific topics, engaging with mentors and engaging with alumni on a regular basis, being active on LinkedIn and doing studies, not only studies as in, but also the extracurricular work, whether it is sports or anything else. You can utilize your time best, and CFA is a must thing. Like, अगर कोई यहाँ पे CFA की तैयारी करता है, sir, this environment is the best. I'll be honest.
ओके.
ऐसा environment, sir, even in FMS, IIMs, XLRI ये नहीं मिलेगा सर.
ओके.
सो ये environment का अगर बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन करना है, सो यू हैव टू बी सीरियस, यू हैव टू बी फोकस्ड, सो दैट 2 years के बाद जो आउटकम आएगा सर, दैट विल बी अनमैच्ड.
ओके. ठीक है.
एंड कि हमारे पास कॉलेज के पास ब्लूमबर्ग की सब्सक्रिप्शन भी है. माय ओनली रिग्रेट इज कि आई डिड नॉट यूटिलाइज इट दैट मच बिकॉज उसका एक्सेस होना इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग एंड इफ यू आर इनटू फाइनेंस इट मतलब इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इवन इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट रिसर्च और राइट अ पेपर तो काफी यूज आएगा. तो इफ यू आर गेटिंग इनटू दिस कॉलेज मेक श्योर टू यूटिलाइज इट टू द मैक्स.
ग्रेट एडवाइस. हाँ.
Yeah, adding to both of them, I think they both gave the good advice. It was apart from that, I think if in these 2 years you really want to do something really good, I think it's in our college. Like I think MBA in other colleges I have it's very cumbersome, very much hectic. It's they're giving the piece as well.
Okay.
So if you're really as you can do the CFA, you can do the CS. It's very easy, and even you can prepare for the government services. Let's not forget that it's our college is actually the hub for the civil servant for the training.
Right.
So you will for all 2 years you will be meeting so many of the army colonels. You will be meeting so many of the government officials that in real life, apart from I think in our college it's difficult. You are living with them, you are just meeting them on a day-to-day basis, and you can actually learn a lot of skills if you really want to prepare for the government services. I think our curriculum is also as such, after 2 years you will be well apt for applying for the banking services as well. I think RBI and SEBI, I think that will be a very easy thing for you to crack.
Okay.
So I think these things could be living a life and getting the etiquettes and knowing how actually they have reached to their job role. I think that could also be one of the key learning that you can have from our college.
Okay.
Because you get a very good exposure to all the government officials as well. That is not there in other colleges.
ठीक है. रैप करते हैं. कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में बता दो. पढ़ाई लिखाई की बातें बहुत हो गई. कैसी है कॉलेज लाइफ?
Life at AGNF, I think it's top notch.
Okay.
These 2 years, I was a science grad from Delhi University, so I always wanted to live in a hostel. But sadly, for Delhi people or the Delights, it's not very easy to get a hostel over here, and you have to take the PG. And my college was also near, so I didn't got the hostel or the PG, but here it was my first time living a hostel life, and like everyone, it was really great, and it was really nice. And we have a sports complex, we have a lot of sports facilities as well. We have a sports complex, we have gym, we have it's a very and even the campus is so picturesque. I think, sir, I would like you also to just come to our campus.
Sure.
It's very nice. You will really
Bilkul.
like it. I think it's the heaven in the Faridabad.
वाह, क्या बात.
And you'll actually find it that it's a heaven. It's very good. I really like these 2 years of mine, and I think it was same for most of us.
Okay. ठीक है. आप लोगों को कुछ ऐड करना है?
So we even have celebrations for different festivals where everyone, including faculty, staff, and all the batches from either from MBA Finance, Financial Management, or Finance, we all get together and celebrate. अभी ही recently Holi celebration भी हुआ था, and I feel like मैं तो गुड़गांव में ही रहती हूँ, तो it's not a big deal for me to travel to and fro. But for people who are coming from far, like for example South India, they can really feel at home with the lively environment, and they would never feel left out, I would say.
Okay. ठीक
Being
है.
a part of the festivities.
अभी आप कुछ ऐड करोगे इसमें?
Not as such, sir, but the campus is really green. It is really green. You have like you are one side you are walking with your friend, and the other side you are walking with a peacock. So
Okay.
like the campus is quite it's really beautiful and it's quite peaceful. So a
Okay.
person who is into this peace thing, जिसको शांति and उस type की चीजें पसंद है, he just wants his own time, a good weather. सो कैंपस वैसे बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब you get every amenities as mentioned. The sports complex is there, football ground, basketball court, the tennis court, everything. So
Okay.
for the purpose of sports it is very great. So evening के अंदर हर एक बैच से, even it is junior seniors PTC और the FM batch, so every batch सब मिलके खेलते हैं, so you get to network also, you enjoy as well. So
Okay.
there are many things, and as mentioned, the environment is very beautiful.
Okay. हाँ माधवी.
Yes, so as said by them, it's very nice. One of the things that I forgot to mention for the people who really want to join our college, in these 2 years, it's my request to just apply in as much competition and just participate in as much competition as they can.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, when they are sitting for the placement and even for the internship, I think because everyone is studying the same thing, and that's in the every college. Like you are studying the same thing, you are doing the same certifications. But apart from that, one of the things that is making you apart are the competitions that you have taken part in. So I think I request them to just participate in as much competition and take as much pride in participating, because in that way they'll learn a lot, they'll network a lot, and it will be really beneficial if they're looking for the good placements. Because
Okay.
yeah, that is one of the things I
ठीक
really
है.
want to highlight.
ठीक है.
And in the sports thing that we mentioned, we even have the lawn tennis court that is not everywhere. It's usually in the government officials' places. So we do have the lawn tennis. So if the aspirant really played lawn tennis, like in our junior, there is one of the junior that is actually the zonal level lawn tennis player. So
Okay.
if you are that person, yeah, you can come.
ठीक है.
We are always looking forward to see you and
ठीक
host
है.
you.
ठीक है. अगर मैं समराइज करूँ इसको, तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स एडमिशन के लिए प्लान कर रहे हो, जो मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हुई है आप लोगों से बात करके, कोर्स करिकुलम को देख के, ऋषि सर से बात करके, मुझे जो लगता है जो सही एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी एज ए NIFM को ज्वाइन करने की, वो ये है कि आप केवल प्लेसमेंट मत देखो, आप प्रोसेस को देखो. अगर आप प्रोसेस में ट्रस्ट करते हो, करिकुलम अच्छा है, आप टॉप नॉच फैकल्टीज़ के साथ पढ़ रहे हो, आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन का मौका मिल रहा है आपको, दुनिया भर की जो टॉप की फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उसका एक्सेस मिलता है आपको. तो अगर आप प्रोसेस को देखो तो प्रोसेस बहुत रोबस्ट है. लेकिन मुझे जो लगता है वो ये है कि आप ये मत बिल्कुल कॉलेज पे डिपेंडेंट मत हो जाओ. जो मुझे दिखता है वो ये है कि जब मैं रिसर्च करता हूँ तो जो प्लेसमेंट और हाथ पकड़ के बिल्कुल प्लेसमेंट कराने का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो इंडिया के ही इंस्टीट्यूशंस में है. और मुझे लगता है ये कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक सा हो सकता है, क्योंकि जो भी डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं, मुझे जो दिखता है वहाँ पर ये है कि ठीक है, आपको उन्होंने ट्रेन कर दिया, ग्रूम कर दिया, अब आप प्लेसमेंट के लिए खुद से भी कैपेबल हो, आप ले सकते हो प्लेसमेंट. अगर आप स्किल्ड इनफ हो तो प्लेसमेंट एक बाई प्रोडक्ट है आपके लिए. तो मुझे जो इस इंस्टीट्यूशन में जो चीज़ दिख रही है वो ये है कि आप इंडस्ट्री रेलिवेंट करिकुलम पढ़ रहे हो, आपको पढ़ाने वाले लोग उनको पता है वो क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसका यूजेस क्या है, एंड आपको रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस मिल रहे हैं. अगर मैं रॉन्ग हूँ तो बताइए, अगर मैंने समराइज़ गलत किया हो तो. क्या ये गलत
नहीं,
एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी?
सर, you have to put in the effort yourself as well at the
राइट,
end of the day.
राइट.
And यहाँ पे जो networking opportunities मिली है, be it with the faculty or as Madhu mentioned with the government officials, unmatchable in my
राइट.
opinion.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच माधवी, अक्षता, अभी, आप लोगों ने अपना टाइम निकाला एंड अपने इनसाइट शेयर करे, एंड आई होप कि ये काफ़ी इंसाइटफुल रहा जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं और जो भी प्लान कर रहे हैं एज NIFM को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you for having us.
थैंक यू.